Hey guys, this is Yaya and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do soft waves with a curling iron. Now we're not going to use a curling iron as a curling iron, we're going to use it as a wand. So what you're going to need is your paddle brush, and you're also going to need your curling iron. I use CONAIR and the size here says 1.25 inches. Let me see if I can show it to you. Yeah, 1.25 inches. I have it on the highest one because I want my curls to be done fast because I have no time to waste. So you're going to brush your hair. I already took a shower and I had to blow dry my hair because I have to be somewhere and I can't wait for it to air dry. So I had to blow dry it. So what I do, I'm gonna use a mirror right here, you guys. Don't think I'm ignoring you. I'm going to grab the middle or the crown of my hair and just do a cute little knot, because this I'm going to do at the end, okay? And you're just going to divide it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now you're going to grab your curling iron and you're going to just grab a piece. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be lined up. It doesn't have to be the same size in all your pieces. Now you're going to open, let me show you up close maybe. You're going to open the curling iron and you're going to wrap your hair around it. You're going to close it for like a couple of seconds and then you're going to let it go. So you'll get something like this. Okay, so again, you're going to grab a piece, wrap it around, close it for a couple of seconds, and let it go. When you get to the other side, what you're going to do is the same thing, but you're going to turn it in. Always turn in your hair. If you turn it out, it'll give you a weird, it'll give you a weird shape, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna show you again because I don't think that was a good example. I'm gonna show you with a thinner piece of hair. You're going to open and you're going to wrap. See how I'm wrapping in? This is wrapping in. I'm not wrapping out like this. It might be a little bit easier, but it'll make your hair look weird at the end. So you're going to wrap in, hold, whoops, bad example, wrap in, hold for a couple of seconds, and let go. Now let me show you how it looks if you use the curling iron as a curling iron, obviously. So usually you clip it on, roll it till the end. And then you hold it. See how this is a curl? And we don't want a curl. We want a wave. So I'm gonna show you another strand. Oops, what is this? With the wave. And look, wave and curl. So this waves pretty, see, you can even see right here. And then this is just like, and I mean, maybe if I was like 5 years old, I like curls, but I'm a 32-year-old woman. I do not feel like looking like a poodle. To grab our cute little crown, and we're going to comb our hair forward because I want some volume. I'm not going to have crazy volume. Oh, look at how pretty. I'm not going to have crazy volume because I didn't add a volumizer and any of that, but it'll make it look cute. Now for here, it doesn't really matter which way you go. I just go in because it's easier. But you'll be able to get your style once you try this, and if this is the look that you like, you'll be able to see what works best for your hair. Because there's some stuff that I like best, but my hair doesn't. And I mean, once you're almost done and you have like this middle chunk, and you're done, oh my God, I can't speak today. And you're done with the sides. Okay, ooh, short hair. You're just going to push it back. Remember, this is loose waves and it's not going to be perfect because, why? Okay, so here, I'm going to grab my last little piece of crown hair. I'm going to do my last little wave. Okay, so now that I've completed that, these are my bangs. And I'm just going to do my part. I usually do middle. Sometimes it's perfect, sometimes it's not. Okay, so now that I have middle, see, if I don't do anything, they go in. And I don't want that. Oh my God, what is up with this little baby here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it out, make it sit for a little bit. And then comb it. Just so it can like mix in with the rest of the hair. Okay, this side sometimes is a little bit more difficult for me to do because this side has a mind of its own and sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate. Oh, it did today, thank goodness. And again, I'm going to comb it. Okay, so now that you've done that, you're going to flip your hair, tousle it a little bit, and flip it back. Oh, it's in my eyelash. And this style is very easy. You can do the middle, which is what I always do, just like loose waves. Or you can do like a part wave. I don't really like doing the part wave because then it looks like I'm bald right here, but it's all like baby hair. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you can do this hair. It's very easy. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to add them below. Also subscribe and turn on notifications. And as I always say, anything that you want to see, leave it in a comment below. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the week and see you next week. Bye.